breaking news.
Well, as we come on the air at 9, we're following breaking news on a multi-vehicle crash that's shut down miles of US 24. This morning, the call for the crash came in just after 7 a.m. Now, our crews are live in Western Waterville on Neo Wash Road. You're getting a look at the scene. This is what it looks like right now in real time. We've seen multiple semis involved in this, 3 of those in the eastbound lanes. Our crews on scene say the highway has been closed in both directions. It is unclear at this time if anybody was injured in this crash. Both Waterville and White House police are on scene, along with state troopers from the Ohio State Highway Patrol and multiple trucks from the Ohio Department of Transportation. We will be working to learn more throughout the hour, and we'll check back in as soon as we learn more.
Perfect. Just man I want to see.
Oh, good. How's it going, guys?
Living the dream.
Yeah.
I might as well just get your home phone number and start buying you breakfast or something.
Might as well. I mean, we can
to dinner.
Yeah, we can do something.
My plan is, I was just telling him, we could free up the other side to get some of these chain reactions done. If we can get one semi out of the way, westbound can clear up.
Stand by for 1 second, please.
So if we can get that semi down there cleared up, the one that's facing the wrong way, westbound can open up and we can get that like moving.
Okay.
Get everywhere down here.
Okay.
It's but we can get westbound.
Genie 24 at the 60 is completely shut down in both directions. There's a commercial at signal 32 in the westbound. He's actually facing eastbound, blocking that lane. Waterville Fire is asking if that we can remove that one from the road so we can get at least that side opened up.
I'm sure that'll be fine.
All right, I'll start working on that one then. So.
Yeah, if you can get that open, because this is going to start more chain reactions like this one.
Yeah.
All the way down to the 56.
Yeah, at least they got a trooper back there slowing people down right now. Yeah. So, okay. Have they got all their measurements?
That I don't know. You're going to have to ask the trooper.
That gentleman right there.
Unfortunately, that I can't answer.
Okay. Have you got all your measurements on that commercial up there?
I'm not handling that.
You're not? Okay.
Yeah, the township is.
Township is?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
They told me that you was in charge.
No.
Oh, they told me, OSP just told me you was handling that commercial.
Yes, I have that one. Yes.
Okay. Are you got all your measurements and everything?
Yeah, I'm good.
Fire is asking me since I'm on that side of the road to open that side up so we can get traffic flowing.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. All right. I'm going to start moving her then. Move! Move! Get on going. Go down the road. Yeah!
You end up falling?
Yeah, dude, it's a sheet of ice.
Oh, man. Are we just going around?
Yeah, just let us know what
Yeah.
we're sending down there to help you guys down.
Yeah, just, there's no other commercials down that way blocking the road. It's just this guy right here. So the road's gonna open up. Yep. Go, go, go. Is any of these other wrecks yours?
What's that?
Is any of the other ones yours?
State Patrol's taking all of it. So.
Okay.
You got TJ and get him to fire up 42 and let it get warmed up, because just in case.
We got another one in the
I was
ditch.
thinking to have them start 24 because I figured they might need flatbed. But
How many
yep,
commercials do you want me to get rolling this way? I can take all of it if need be, make it easy.
They got to make the call. I can't make the call.
You're letting all these do private calls?
If they have a preference, they get
Okay.
priority unless they have to touch the mail.
All right.
Each flatbed can move 2 at a time, so
Yeah, we got a call for
Do
the
it
blue
that way.
Freightliner that's jackknifed right now.
in
So
case he needs something a little heavier down there.
I was just advised by OSP that everything is going to be a private call if they prefer it. If not, it'll be next available. Hey man, just checking with you to see if you want a tow truck or not.
Of course.
Okay.
What can I do?
I can get one rolling this way for you, okay? So
Well,
give me.
you better start talking to people and finding out who, what, or just move. Yeah, let them handle it from there.
Jeannie, you got a piece of paper and a pen in front of you?
do.
Delco Trans Inc. USDOT is going to be 3782379. He does have part of his load hanging out of his trailer. His trailer doors have been removed from his truck.
Okay, where are we gonna go?
We'll figure that part. You got a unit number?
955.
955. It's going to be a red Freightliner.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. We'll get that part figured out for you here in just a minute. If you're still capable to drive, we'll just get you, put your load back in your truck, you pay the bill, and you can drive off, okay?
I cannot drive like this.
Okay, we'll get you to,
Did you see the,
I haven't seen the damage yet, so.
look at the trailer.
Yeah, I seen your trailer door and stuff's open, so yeah.
Not only doors, the other side, wheels is just turned.
Is it? Okay.
Look at this. No, here.
Oh, well, those are his, so. You want a wrecker?
Were you called out here?
I was, yes.
By him, right?
I don't know yet. Whoever's in the blue Freightliner.
Okay, that's
Yes.
your
Okay,
him.
yep, all right, yep. And then I got him as well, too.
Okay, did your company call him?
No. I mean,
Okay.
like I already told my company, but they
Okay.
didn't tell me anything.
So,
They didn't tell me anything about what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
so that trooper right there just told me that he was doing, if they wanted us to do it, we could do it. I had to ask them.
What all do you need
But
down
I
there,
cannot
Johnny?
drive like that, you know,
Yeah.
because
Stand by, I'm talking to OSP right now.
Are you calling my company,
I'll
yes?
check with him. Give me 1 second, okay?
Yeah,
Calling my company, yes?
yeah, your company called us.
The prime load.
Yeah,
Okay.
yep, so. I got first call on scene now, too. As of right now, the truck that we've got is completely jackknifed into the road. Let me get over here and take a look at it.
Right, but we also have the prime Inc. that we were called for. What side is he on?
So he's the one that's actually jackknifed into the roadway. He is eastbound or westbound in the eastbound lanes right now.
Okay.
Chuck Torvald's.
Yep. Hello. How's it going? Which one you taking?
I got them grabbing this red one.
Did it? I didn't even look at that part of it. Oh, yeah.
I gotta get this tractor out here to get this.
Okay, you guys not going any further?
Hey.
I told him we needed the crossover.
Well,
Yeah, I seen you guys coming, so I figured you guys were going to the crossover, so I pulled up.
Hey,
Scott probably thinks I'm stupid.
they need the crossover.
I know, that's what I'm trying to find.
Okay.
Yeah, we got to make his
I couldn't
path
get
to the
in any closer
crossover. We
from
need to
down
get to the
there, So we
crossover.
had to use this, but I got it.
There's one right up here, just around the bend, the curve.
Yeah.
I gotta let the know what's going on.
He's got to let OSP know. Are we ready to roll?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell him he's gonna follow me down this right shoulder down to the next turnaround.
Okay. Tim, we're going down the right shoulder.
Let's go. Oh my gosh.
Do what?
where'd he go?
Where'd who go? Tim? Ah, he's coming back up.
Oh.
He's got to go signal 100, come up the wrong way, so that's why we got the escort up and back. So
Oh, he had to go farther up because he couldn't make the turn, or what?
he's got to back down. He can't turn that truck around in the middle of the road. So
Okay. So what truck did they give you? The Amazon truck?
yep, Amazon truck.
All right, well, I'm going to subdue the Walmart truck to you guys because you're going to need a low boy trailer. and
Westbound side shut down now because he tried to U-turn a tractor trailer. Well, this should be fun to watch.
What he wants us to do. Are we good to start hooking up to the Amazon?
I believe so, as long as the other troop's okay with it, but we have paperwork from him, so he can't take off yet.
Okay, all right, yeah, it's gonna be a minute, so.
Okay, just make sure with him.
Okay, I just was trying to get the road open,
Yeah,
so.
no, I appreciate
Yep.
it. Yeah, as long as he's good with it.
Okay, all right. So,
Just waiting.
which one you getting? You're getting the red Freightliner.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm gonna hook onto this Amazon. We're gonna spin him around, get him out of the road, and then the Walmart trailer is being subbed out to us because they don't have the equipment to do it. And then we'll grab that, and we should get the road opened up here fairly quick.
I'm waiting on a tractor to get here.
All right.
The trailer.
So. Freaking mess.
It would be smarter to let one company untangle everything and go from there. Yeah, well, see, we all know that because we do the same
What's the best way to get on the other side? Go dip back. Oh.
You're not gonna get on the other side now. You should have, if you wanted on the other
I was
side.
told it was on the westbound side.
Yeah, that's why we did the escort up and back down, so we could go the wrong way.
Yeah. I'll probably, since I got time, I'll probably just go down and turn around.
If they come back down, if they get on at 475 and they can run westbound all the way down to the 57 crossover,
Okay.
and then come back that way. That'd be your only.
Their best bet.
Yeah.
Is there a turnaround over there? Or?
No, it's 295 is the next crossover.
Okay.
So you'd have to go all the way back up and around, and if you want to get turned around, I mean, unless,
That way.
yeah,
So I'm not going that way.
yeah. So,
I'll just hit the other, just run the shoulder up.
so. Troop. She told me to check with you and see if you're good with us starting hooking stuff up and getting it. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I got them all my eyes.
We got the clearance to start hooking and pulling.
Just gotta grab this guy.
Okay. All right. Make sure there's no one over there. All right. Yeah. I don't know. I can't find him.
Right there.
No, that's the driver for the red one.
Oh. Maybe they took it away. Yeah, let's see what it does. Come on, man. Oh, hey, tell Devin to sit in.
I'm gonna hop up here and turn the wheel, Tim.
He might be able to just.
Yeah.
All right, you stand up there now.
Yep.
All right, I got the wheel straight right now. Just let me know what I need to do when we get there.
Cut it right, cut it right.
That's all the right I got.
He ain't got none. Fairings are broke off, so you're good.
Something in the steering is broken. Line off my wrecker and grab it by this drive wheel right here.
And pull her over.
Holy shit, my fingers are cold. There you go, bud.
There's a rim sling on my my control box. Need to close this now. Well, I didn't intend for that to happen.
Wow. You
know someone's got to go down there and get that now.
Yeah.
No, not right now, no.
We really got to work on that a little bit.
Yeah. Yep, pull her tight.
Y'all got a fun job.
Yeah.
I watched this on YouTube.
Yep, she's good. Let me. Yep. Devin, get in the truck.
Try to pitch it this way a little bit.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Tell them to set the tractor brakes for a minute.
All right, I'm in it. We're good. And we got a new YouTube subscriber.
Yeah, have them
Set the tractor brakes.
See if we can just slide it. Ready?
Yep.
There we go.
Can you see that red Freightliner? Make sure we don't get into it.
Yep, I'm watching it. You got plenty of room. We're good.
Yeah, watch that red truck.
Yeah.
Still got room on it. Still got room on it. You're good.
I got it. Let me take it from there. Now,
Okay.
here's where you can run. Right. Feel you off.
We got this one too. So is that your who's running that?
That's the guy in the truck.
He's in there. Yeah. Start winching him out and getting him out of the way.
She was okay with it?
Go ahead and pull it.
She's okay with it. We go ahead and transfer to you.
I would move up next to him so that you can just slide him right up to the shoulder. Stay over there, front end around, and then you can grab right a hold of him.
Okay. Devin, he's got one. Hey! Hey!
Then you should be able to, I'll get you two of my little Baileys. Grab each wheel, and then you can run your blue line down and grab it.
Okay. Just pull him straight up. Can you get it?
Yeah.
There we go.
the van too?
Yeah.
Now, is it us doing it or we're doing it for Racing Brand?
Do what?
I said, is it us doing it or us doing it for Racing Brand?
We're doing it for Aiken Brand.
Yep, we're doing good. We did a great deal like that.
Yeah, we're gonna bring her on around now. We'll see what it does.
Oh, never mind. She's clear now.
Yeah, he. What'd you do?
He's got a birdie knob and you whacked him with it. And as soon as I fucking pulled on it, it spun the back my hand. Yeah, release it. Alright, crack this for me. There we go. Turn left. Hold it. Let the trigger. Grab it by that one. Here, And then what you can do is you can take your master links, put your wheel lid, put your forks in it, 2 master links, you can pick it up and drag it forward. Just put air to it.
Well, that front axle's ripped out. I was just gonna chain sling it and roll with it.
You don't even have to do that. You're going too far. Just pick it up by these and just take it forward. Get it out of the way for right now.
Okay. A red one?
Yeah, a longer one. Doesn't have to be crazy long. Kind of like how we did on that one against the tree.
Yeah. Like that, that's what you're talking about, right? Yeah. All right. All right. right, we're gonna move, okay? Huh? Yeah, just for a minute. We're only gonna go up the road a little bit, okay?
Jeannie, if Scott's up and about, have him come down here. But he's gonna have to back down from the Waterville exit.
Back down eastbound from Waterville exit.
You got it. Johnny's gonna pull you a tractor trailer. It's a Amazon one. He's gonna pull it up here on the shoulder and drop it while Aikenbrand got a Walmart with milk in it that's all up. We gotta help him with.
All right.
Tim, am I cleared that van so he can get to it?
Yep, you're good right there. Come on back, Deb. Yep, I'm back.
Set your brakes. Set your brakes. I gotta get my pins, yeah. None, I didn't want to walk past you when you was winching on it. Yeah. Yeah.
You know, I never had an accident in 25 years.
Really?
Dude, you wouldn't believe I started stopping about a half mile when I seen the cattle truck over there. It just kept sliding, bro. It was the weight. I know it was the weight. The milk was pushing.
Yeah, it's moving and bloop and so. All right, yep.
Hey, bro, can I sit in your truck?
Absolutely. Let me move my seat and move some stuff around in my seat. Yep. All right, there you go. You can turn the heat up, do whatever you need to do. So.
All right, bro. I appreciate it.
Yep. Gonna pull. Do you want to wait for this red one to get out of the way, or do you want to try to pull that thing around?
I think you can pull it ahead of him. I think it'll come right around him.
Okay.
We put air to it, run a line to air. Let the trailer walk forward as you drag the truck.
Okay.
Double those lines because that thing's heavy.
Okay.
Careful.
Yeah.
I'll catch it.
Yeah. Sorry, I fell off a ladder about 2 weeks ago. I was 13.6 in the air, trying to pick up a trailer, getting it all rigged up with my spreader bar, and down I went. Hit the ground, dude. It hurt. I lay there for a minute. So, we had an ETA on your truck. No, okay.
You don't want me to answer that.
Yeah. So, all right. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna hook into this guy here, and hopefully he comes up around that trailer. So
It's already been hit. I mean,
yeah.
Obviously I can't move it because it's not attached.
Yeah.
And we're not supposed to put those on our...
So they don't know. That's what I was just asking him. He don't have an ETA. That's him.
That's my record.
Yeah, they're waiting on a road tractor. Yeah, they're waiting on a road tractor. So
Yeah, I'm here, buddy.
yeah.
Was it oil talk about oil or?
Eventually, yeah.
Okay.
So
I got stuff in my truck. You guys need it. Nothing from the dash up was gone. The driver walked the road.
I got you. I still gotta get air to her real quick. See if that thing's messed up. Can we get to it?
Air dryer's in one piece.
Sweet.
Spot, but it's doable.
We got a little guy.
What?
I said we got a little guy. He can get his little arms up in there.
I was gonna say, do you want to see? We might see if Wrights can drag that trailer that way.
Are they back there though? I mean,
My
His Wrights are right there.
oh, are you facing the right way though?
I'm nosed in.
Oh,
You don't think you can turn around on that?
no,
this
it's
area. I
it's
saw him
so
slide.
slick. Yeah,
Okay.
I wouldn't risk it.
I got a plow truck right there.
and then you pull it up, and then we'll hook it up the right way.
Okay.
Well, where we going?
I'll find a business card for you. Give me a minute.
On Montclair, right?
Huh?
We going to Montclair?
Monclova, yeah. Yep.
Okay.
10101 Monclova, or 10101 Garden Road, Monclova, Ohio. So.
We can at least get the traffic out.
Try to stay up on this high side, Jack.
Okay.
Okay. It's nice and easy. There you go. Looking good.
All right, you want to release those brakes real quick?
Hey, Deb, let's try to get this Sprinter van out of here, too.
They should both be released.
Yep, I was just, that's what I was doing up there. I was making sure it was good to get him out of here. He's good to go. He would like us to get the axle and stuff that they have over here in the median, get it out so that way when Wrights gets that truck out of here, they can open it up.
Yep, as soon as we can get Aikenbrand up here, I'll get a hold of him.
Those things will hold that up.
Yep. Now, you wouldn't tow that like that, but yeah, so.
Yeah, because Johnny's ready to go forward with this. So let's move him, get Johnny up there, because we're going to have to back up here, and I'm going to have to lift up on this axle so we can chain it in place.
I usually go on like trucks, like I go on tows with him.
Yeah, big truck stuff, this is where the fun's at.
Scotty, we got a, it's going to be a gray Sprinter van headed towards you, okay? He's just going to be going slow.
That's all right. I can see everything going on now.
We got one coming through. Come on.
Because it looks like I got a trooper or something sitting in front of my truck.
Yeah, he'll move in a second. Hold on.
Then I got one more. He's coming this way to get this one. I got a truck backing up to grab a hold of this one now, so if I can get these guys to... All right, thank you. Scotty, I got them officers moving for you.
That wall's wanting to buckle. We got to get that thing belly taken.
Okay.
And we find tandems for it. Suck them up underneath it.
Okay.
Let's get it up here on the flat ground.
Whew. I don't know if you know it or not, but it's really cold out there.
Bro, I've been sitting there.
Yeah, that milk is definitely pushing you around.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Company.
Oh yeah, they got cameras, right? Yeah. See, there you go. It's your saving grace right there. Oh, your truck's that way. I thought that was your truck.
Yeah, my truck's not that way. Right there, up here, or wherever.